Hello, this is Shirley, Daisy, and Madison's final video design. For our final competition, we chose Columbia green beans with a roasting setting power of 9 and a fan speed of 9 for 5 minutes to achieve a dark, moderate brown roast. Here's a brief breakdown of our project. Our goal was about 1% TDS to get our brew in the sweet area of the brewing control chart. Our TDS measurement was 1.06% and our PE was 16.61 during the competition. Our brew resulted being a very similar TDS to what we aimed for and still remained in the area that we wanted. Our total energy consumption for the competition was 0.175 kilowatt hours. For our roasting setting, we wanted to maximize the taste, so we did not compromise any of the settings for a better energy score over taste. Our roasting energy ended up with 0.165 kilowatt hours. And our water temperature was heated to 80 degrees, which took 0.07 kilowatt hours. Thus, our total energy consumption equaled out to 0.175 kilowatt hours. We heated 990 grams of tap water with the initial temperature starting at 25 degrees. Next, we grinded 60 grams of beans to create a 16 brewing ratio. After our 5-minute extraction using a clever dripper, we ended up with 940 grams of drinkable coffee. Here's a breakdown of the flow diagram for this project. We added 60 grams of roasted beans into the grinder and equally distributed the grinded coffee into 3 clever drippers, which 20 grams in each. We then added 330 grams of 80-degree water to each clever dripper with an extraction time of 5 minutes. After weighing the final mass of brew, we were 99 grams of coffee short, so we poured room temperature tap water back into the used clever dripper grounds to make up for the 99 grams we still needed. Next, we extracted the brews into the carafe and ended up with a final mass of 940 grams. We received an overall score of 21.67 for our blind tasting test and a final score of 124 kilowatt hours, -1. For our sensory evaluation, our coffee had a relatively lighter body. There was a strong, pleasant scent with a well-balanced acidity and slightly sweet taste. It came with a pleasant aftertaste, well-balanced ratio. Next time, we will try to boil enough water the first time so we do not need to add in additional water after realizing we are within the energy penalty range. We can also try to split tasks beforehand so we can multitask to maximize the 45 minutes provided. And this is our final design video. Let's enjoy the remaining clips of our project.